In a quaint town where the unusual is the norm, detective duo Max and Lily find themselves baffled by the sudden eloquence of a pet parrot belonging to Mrs. Henderson. This feathered enigma had reportedly started reciting cryptic phrases that seemed to hint at a long-lost treasure. While Lily is intrigued by the possibility of hidden riches, Max is more focused on the bird's peculiar diet of all things, strawberries. As they piece together the jagged puzzle, they stumble upon a red herring in the form of an ornery old pirate who claims ownership of the parrot. Through witty exchanges that range from puns to playful jabs, Max and Lily deduce the true meaning behind the parrot's babblings, leading to an unexpected revelation that leaves everyone, including the pirate, chuckling in the end.